What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today I got a little bit of a different video for you guys today. Wow, the sun is killing my lens, isn't it? Today we're getting into a giveaway video. That's right, real simple, and this is not going to be like a month-long giveaway. Real simple, 2 weeks. And this giveaway is kind of tuned more towards creators. Maybe you want to start a YouTube channel. Recently I published like how much I make a month on YouTube and how you can do the same thing, and some people were like, oh, I don't think I can do it, I don't think I can do it. Well, you can. My Z71 is pretty much paid for by YouTube. So is my 2021 Rams, the Challenger, the GTO, and a few other vehicles have all been paid for by YouTube. So it's definitely something you want to get into. So today, this is kind of like a creator giveaway. So what are we giving away? We're giving away a DJI Osmo Pocket. Now, it's like a little camera that's got a gimbal on it that shoots in 4K, which could super level up your vlogging game, whether you go to car meets or whatever it is that you do. It's definitely something that you should jump into. And then we're giving away a $250 Amazon gift card. So 2 winners. One will get either the gift card or the camera, and the other one gets whatever's left. The people in the giveaway are as follows: my dude, the homie, the bro, New York in your city, my guy, Mission Flyer, aka probably the fastest manual Hellcat on YouTube. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna say that. And the one and the only Shaker T, probably the only person I know that can drive an RT Challenger and kick people's asses in scat packs. I still don't understand that. But anyways, so that's the giveaway. And last but not least, my dude that is up my ass on a regular basis, telling me, buy a 4-wheeler, show us the side-by-sides. Mr. Texas himself, Mr. Ithwitt. Now, links to all the channels will be in the description down below. The rules are real simple, guys. Every single channel is going to cut their own giveaway video. Now, they may not publish at the same time as me. The giveaway will be up in 2 weeks, so you need to just pay attention to each person's channel in the description down below. Most are probably published today, some will probably publish tomorrow. Just make sure you go to their videos, comment, because you have to comment, and you have to be subscribed. Make sure that your subscriptions are public. If they are not, and we go there and we type in and we look for your comment, or they look for your comment in their dashboard or studio and they can't find you, we're going right on to the next one. We'll make it very, very, very easy. This shouldn't be a big deal. You're only looking at New York, Mission Flyer, Shaker T, Ithwitt, and myself. That's 5 channels. That's it. It's not hard for you to go drop a comment on. It's free. You don't have to buy any merch. You don't have to do anything. And somebody's going to get a $250 Amazon gift card, and somebody's going to get a DJI Osmo Pocket 4K camera. Pretty simple, man. So with that said, I want to thank all of the channels and people that are involved, and thank all of you guys for watching. This is just like another bonus video for you guys today. Good luck to everybody here on the channel. While I'm here, I need to plug my second channel in case you guys didn't know. More with TK is now doing pretty much all automotive content, so go over there if you guys want to see live streams when I'm live streaming at an auction. If you guys want to see shorts, like minute videos of some of the upcoming stuff, or sneak peeks, vehicles that we've purchased, vehicles that we're rebuilding, things of that nature. And that's pretty much it, guys. So anyways, thank you guys very much for watching. Good luck to everybody in the giveaway. I hope you guys, I hope somebody would be able to use that $250 Amazon gift card, and I'm sure someone could level up their game with that camera. Until next time, thank you guys very much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.